If you want to make money on TikTok, that's fine, because on this channel you will find so many strategies and so many ways to make money on TikTok. This is my first video, and if you want more strategies and ways to make money on TikTok, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So this is the first strategy. It's about CPA marketing in TikTok. If you are new in this stuff, basically affiliate marketing is that time when you promote someone products or someone services and you win a commission. But CPA marketing is cost per action. That means every time when someone coming to your link and make an action like download the app, leave an email address, complete a survey, you receive money. So in this video I'll show you one way to do this very easy and very quick. This account on TikTok posts only videos with different models from Instagram, and here is a link. When you go in this link, you can see here two buttons. So if you press here, now you can see before showing you the list and photos of the woman who live near you, we need to ask you a few questions. So basically, who coming to your link and complete this survey. First is the survey. And then leave his email here and press unlock her. For example, you receive money. How to do that is very easy. First, you need to go to Instagram and find different videos with different models. When you find a model, just copy her link, go to this website, paste the link here and press download. Now you can download this video. The next step is to make an account in TikTok and post these videos there. You can also write a text in these videos, and also you can make some effects on these videos. When you make 1000 followers, you can leave a link to your profile. So how to do that is very easy. You can do that with Linktree, you can do that with Beacons. There is so many companies which you can make a bio page like this one and leave the link in your TikTok account. So now where you can get these offers to make money? Well, you can go to my lead, for example. I leave a link in the description as well, and make a free account here. After you log in, you can go here to smart links, and here you have many offers which one you can promote. But for this strategy, you can go here and select for adult. So now you have offers only in that niche. So what is with green? That means this offer is approved me to promote their links. What is with blue? I need to apply for this offer to give me a link which one to promote. So let me show you. If I go here, you can see I need to apply before promote that link. But if I go in the green, if I go down here, I can see my links which one I can promote, and also you can see unique visits 405 and earnings $1.75. So how you can see here, for example, you can make between $1, $1.2 to $25 per every email someone leave when click in your link. So is that simple. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and I will see you in the next videos.